Hello students. So today now I am going to tell you the summary of the chapter from the diary of Annie Frank, and this story was written by Annie Frank. So first I am going to tell you about the theme of the story. The diary of Annie Frank and the given extract is one of the most authentic real works describing the atrocities committed on the Jews during the Nazi occupation of the Netherlands in 1940s. It also provides an intimate account of daily life that her small groups led in hiding in Amsterdam. Her frankness, honesty, and sincerity of description of her parents, friends, and teachers make her writing the most important documents of the Holocaust period. Holocaust means dreadful period, dangerous period. So now I am going to tell you about the summary of this poem. Diary writing, a strange experience. So I will explain summary. Yeah, you can say I am going to summarize this whole chapter in 6 paragraphs. First paragraph about diary writing, a strange experience. Annie Frank thinks that writing diary is a strange experience for her. She has never written anything like this before. She feels that no one else except her will be interested in the musings of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. She writes it for herself. She wants to get all kinds of things off her chest. Second paragraph, paper has more patience than people. So Annie feels that paper has more patience than people. There was a time when she was a little depressed and sat at home. She does not want anyone else except her to read her self-bagged notebook unless she finds a real friend. She keeps the diary as she does not have a friend. Her diary, her friend Kitty. So she has given a name to her diary. The name was Kitty. So Annie writes that outwardly there are about 30 people whom she can call friends. She has a family-loving aunts and a good home. She has loving parents and 16-year-old sister. But still, she feels all alone. She can only talk about ordinary things with them. They are not able to come closer. This is the problem. They cannot confide in each other. Maybe it is her own fault. This is why she has started the diary. She wants her diary to be her friend. She calls her diary her friend Kitty. Now brief sketch of her family. She calls her father the most adorable father. He married at 36 when her mother was 25. Her sister Margaret was born in 1926 while she was born on 12th June 1929. They emigrated to Holland in 1933. She got her education there. In 1942, her grandma died and he started writing her diary on 20 June 1942. Class shaking with her. Class shaking with fear. Class shaking with fear. Class डर से कांप रही थी. The entire class is shaking with fear. The teachers will decide in the next meeting who will move up and who will be kept back. Because I think this was the result day. She realizes that at least there are about a quarter of students who are totally worthless and should be kept back. But it is difficult to predict about the decision of the teachers. She is not much worried about herself and her girlfriends. She is not very sure about maths. She has good relations with her teachers. Mr. Kissing, the maths teacher, is an old-fashioned teacher. He does not like her because she talks too much. Essay, a chatterbox. After that, when the teachers were puzzled with the talkativeness of Annie Frank, they had given her to write an essay on the topic of chatterbox. So the maths teacher gives her some extra work to write an essay on a chatterbox. She writes 3 pages. She argues in the essay that talking is a student's trait. She promises to keep it under control. She feels that she will never be able to cure herself of the habit. Her mother also talked as much as she does. It is an inherited trait. Mr. Kissing has a good laugh at her argument in the essay. He assigned her a second essay on an incorrigible chatterbox. Incorrigible means la-ilaj. So finally, as punished for talking in the class, he gives her another essay on quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox. The class gives her a roar of laughter. Her friend Shani is good at poetry. She offers to help her and he wants to turn the table on Mr. Kissing. She finishes the poem about a mother duck and a father swan with 3 baby ducklings. They are beaten to death by the father because they quack too much. Mr. Kissing understands the poem and its message in the right way. Since then, she has been allowed to talk. She has not been assigned with any extra homework. Means this story is completely based on the girl Annie Frank, about his behavior. She done in front of the teachers. So my dear student, today is enough. Tomorrow I will explain this chapter thoroughly. Till then, thank you.